So yesterday we set out on another adventure, attempted to complete what's called the Google Maps Fishing Challenge. Before we got started, we stopped at a park and grabbed ourselves a bite to eat. And while I was cleaning everything up, I got one heck of a nasty splinter underneath my fingernail. Regardless, we pushed forward and tried to complete our challenge. So I pulled out Google Maps, located my body of water, and set out on my adventure to try to catch some fish. Now this whole time my finger is throbbing to the point that I can't even concentrate, and I have to call it quits after about the third or fourth cast. So we decided to cut our fishing trip short, and I had to call my superwoman. So she suggested that we go to the Dollar General, grab us some of the necessary tools so that she could get to work. And this is what happens. Alrighty.
Does it hurt?
Good. You're studying real hard.
Trying not to stab you. Create more holes in your finger. Oop, like that one. I'm sorry, I'm just going to hurt you.
Great.
So don't move. Just a lot more.
Getting there?
Yeah, you can't tell.
Not really.
The more it hurts, the closer I'm getting to it. Alright, what do you think? Tweezer time?
Oh my god. What have you done to my fingernail? There goes nothing. Oh. Alright, let's see. You got it. You're good.
Don't move. Stop moving!
You don't understand! I'm sorry. That is just like, I feel it in my elbow.
You keep moving, I'm not going to be able to grab it. And then we're going to be here all day trying to grab this little splinter.
It ain't little. Hold on a second. Hold on. Because I'm going to count to 3, take a deep breath, and just, you figure out what your plan of attack, because I don't need you digging around in there.
I'm not trying to dig around. I'm trying to grab it, but you keep moving.
It's going to go, oh, God. All right, hold on. There ain't no 3 count.
I ain't done nothing yet. I'm getting ready.
Alright. Ready? No.
Stop. Start counting.
1. 1.5. 2. 3. But she got it done, I think.
Who's camera shy?
Did you really get it?
Yes, baby. Let me get some alcohol. Don't touch it.
This is gonna sting.
Why'd you say?
This is gonna sting.
Probably it's an open
It's still throbbing.
one. Oh, yeah. Your finger in here? Or do you want to?
Ah! Oh! Moral of this story is to make sure you got yourself a superwoman. Don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. And while you're at it, check out these videos on the left-hand side of your screen. On the top, you got a link to more of my videos, as well as on the bottom, you got a link to some YouTube recommended videos. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you soon.